Are you struggling with diabetes and looking for a permanent solution? Diabetes, a condition that's become an invisible yet constant companion to millions worldwide, is more than just a health condition. It's a daily battle, a struggle that requires constant vigilance and an unyielding commitment. Diabetes doesn't discriminate, affecting people of all ages, from all walks of life. It has become a global health crisis, reminding us of the need for a permanent solution. Living with diabetes is like walking on a tightrope, balancing blood sugar levels on a daily basis. It involves pricking fingers multiple times a day, monitoring glucose levels, and making constant adjustments to diet and lifestyle. It's not just about the physical toll, it's about the mental stress, the worry, the fear of what could happen if those sugar levels aren't kept in check. Then there are the symptoms, the constant thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, blurred vision, slow healing wounds. These symptoms can be mild, easily brushed off, or they can be severe, disrupting daily life and causing distress. And they're just the tip of the iceberg. The true fear lies in the potential complications that diabetes can bring: heart disease, kidney damage, nerve damage, vision loss. The burden of diabetes isn't just about managing the condition itself. It's about dealing with the fear of these complications, the fear of what could happen tomorrow, next month, next year. It's about the constant worry, the sleepless nights, the stress of living with a condition that's always there, lurking in the background. But imagine this, a life where you're not constantly checking your blood sugar levels, a life where you're not constantly worrying about what you eat, how much you exercise, whether you're doing enough to keep your diabetes in check, a life where you're not living in fear of complications, of what the future might hold, a life where you're in control of your health. Imagine a life without these struggles, a life where you're in control of your health. Scene script. Step 1 towards reversing diabetes is adopting a low-carb, high-fiber diet. So why low-carb and high-fiber? Let's break it down. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into sugar or glucose, which then enters your bloodstream. If you have diabetes, your body struggles to process this sugar effectively, resulting in high blood sugar levels. By reducing your carbohydrate intake, you can help to keep your blood sugar levels more stable. Now, on to fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate, but your body can't break it down into sugar like it can with other carbs. Instead, fiber passes through your system undigested, helping to regulate the speed at which sugar enters your bloodstream and preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, fiber helps you feel full, which can support weight management, an important factor in managing diabetes. So, what does a low-carb, high-fiber diet look like? Think lots of vegetables, particularly leafy greens, which are low in carbs but high in fiber. Include plenty of whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, which have a lower glycemic index than refined grains. Opt for lean proteins like chicken and fish, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. These foods will not only help to manage your blood sugar levels but also support overall health. What foods should you avoid? Generally, try to steer clear of processed foods and those high in added sugars, like soda, candy, and many packaged snacks. These foods can cause your blood sugar to spike and are often low in nutrients. But here's the key. Consistency is crucial. A low-carb, high-fiber diet isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with in the long term. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Remember, your diet is the foundation of your health. Make it strong. With a low-carb, high-fiber diet, you're not just managing your diabetes. You're taking control of your health. You're choosing foods that nourish your body, that support your well-being, and that help you live a healthier, happier life. And that, my friends, is a choice worth making. The second step towards reversing diabetes is regular exercise. Now, you might be thinking, exercise? Really? I've heard this a million times. But let's delve a little deeper into why this step is so important. Exercise is not only great for your overall health, but it plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels. When you exercise, your muscles consume sugar for energy, reducing the amount of glucose in your bloodstream. This is why people often experience lower blood sugar levels after a workout. But don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon or lift weights like a bodybuilder to see benefits. Regular, moderate activity can make a significant difference. A brisk walk around the block, a dance session in your living room, or a quick bike ride can do wonders for your health. Even everyday activities like gardening or cleaning can count as exercise. The key here is consistency. It's not about how hard you work out in one session, but rather making exercise a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity 5 days a week. This can be broken down into 2 15-minute sessions if that works better for you. Remember, it's about making sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. And let's not forget about the other benefits of exercise. It can help manage stress, improve sleep, boost your mood, and increase your energy levels. Plus, it's an excellent way to strengthen your heart and bones and keep your blood pressure in check. So let's lace up those sneakers, turn up the music, and get moving. Take it slow at first, listen to your body, and gradually increase your activity level as your fitness improves. Remember, it's not a race, it's a journey. And there you have it. The second step towards reversing diabetes isn't about strapping on boxing gloves or scaling mountains. It's about integrating simple, consistent exercise into your daily routine. Remember, consistent exercise is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining health. The third and final step towards reversing diabetes is effective stress management. When we think about the factors that contribute to high blood sugar levels, we often focus on diet and exercise, overlooking the role of stress. However, stress can have a significant impact on our bodies, particularly our blood sugar levels. When we're stressed, our bodies respond by releasing hormones that raise blood sugar levels, providing a burst of energy to help us deal with the perceived threat. But in the modern world, stress often doesn't come from physical danger, but from mental and emotional pressures. This means that the extra energy isn't used up, causing blood sugar levels to remain high. The good news is that we can counteract this with stress management techniques, which not only help us feel better mentally and emotionally, but also have a positive impact on our physical health. One such technique is deep breathing. By focusing on our breath, we can slow our heart rate and lower our blood pressure, helping to reduce the stress response in our bodies. Another effective stress management technique is meditation. Regular meditation allows us to cultivate a sense of calm and mindfulness, helping us to remain present and not get caught up in worrying thoughts that can trigger stress. Yoga, too, can be an excellent tool for managing stress. By combining movement with focused breathing, yoga helps to relax both the body and the mind, reducing stress and helping to lower blood sugar levels. But beyond these techniques, adopting a healthy mindset is crucial in managing and reversing diabetes. This means accepting that it's okay to feel stressed, but not letting it control us. Instead, we can recognize when we're feeling stressed and take steps to manage it, rather than letting it manage us. Remember, managing stress isn't just about feeling better in the moment. It's about creating a healthier, more balanced lifestyle that supports your overall well-being, including your blood sugar levels. When you control your stress, you control your health. So, to summarize, the 3 steps towards reversing diabetes are a low-carb, high-fiber diet, regular exercise, and effective stress management. Let's revisit these steps one by one. First, adopting a low-carb, high-fiber diet. This is not just about losing weight, but it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. High-fiber foods aid digestion and help control blood sugar levels, while low-carb meals keep your insulin levels stable. It's about making conscious choices every day, choosing whole grains over processed foods, fresh fruits over sweetened snacks. It's about embracing a lifestyle that loves your body back. The second step is regular exercise. But this doesn't necessarily mean spending hours at the gym. It can be as simple as taking a brisk walk around the neighborhood, dancing to your favorite tunes, or doing some gardening. The goal is to get your body moving, to improve your blood circulation and boost your metabolism. Regular exercise not only helps control your blood sugar levels, but it also strengthens your heart, improves your mood, and increases your overall vitality. The third step is effective stress management. Life can be stressful, and chronic stress can take a toll on your health, especially when you're trying to reverse diabetes. So, it's important to find ways to manage stress. This could be through meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to relax and do things you enjoy. Remember, a healthy mind contributes to a healthy body. But let's not forget, consistency is key in all 3 steps. It's about making small, sustainable changes that become a part of your daily routine. And above all, it's about maintaining a positive mindset, believing in your ability to take control of your health, and staying committed to your journey towards reversing diabetes. Remember, reversing diabetes is not a sprint, it's a marathon, and you have the power to win this race.